we got Robert here. He's actually incarcerated and he is on the phone with us. And we have Kelly, and she's kind of three-waying us together. And so, do you guys, first off, just kind of share with us how you guys got connected with the Backpack Trader and a little bit of your pre-trading history?
Okay, yeah. So, we had came into a little bit of money originally, and we put it into, if you're familiar with Timothy Plan, a mutual fund, and this is before Israel started to go into war, right? And so,
Which
we
would
would
have
take it
been,
every day, look at our returns, and it began to appear to us that we wanted to be hands-on with our finances.
so you're talking about like basically before 2024, right? Like, so Israel
Yeah.
went. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Just for a time reference, go ahead.